Give yourself a pop of color on those gray days when you step out in the Paradise boots by Bogs. You'll absolutely adore this beautiful rubber shell that'll keep you protected from wet weather elements while having this textile design that gives you a little bit of extra style with its floral-like print and those pops of color. You'll even enjoy the fact that you'll get some color contrast along that midsole, and you'll find that you'll get a dip at the front with 2 pull tabs on either side of this shaft, allowing you to easily pull these on. Inside is a nylon jersey, giving you a nice cozy toasty feel with an algae-based EVA footbed that'll give you some extra cushioning. You'll enjoy the fact that you'll have that chunkier midsole, giving you a modern look with a small boost of height at the heel. There is a non-marking, non-slip rubber outsole that'll give you some extra grip while having a self-cleaning tread for some extra cleanliness.